With my hidden cameras ready, it's time to go into the Honda dealer and find out if they're a dealership. Here's the broken key that needs to be repaired. Will they replace this key or will they repair it, as it's super easy to do? We got a broken key here.
Oh no.
Before continuing, let's pause and back up to earlier today before I arrived. To show what really happened at the Honda dealership, I built a hidden camera. Let's see if this will work. I wanted to find out if Honda dealerships were going to fix the key for me or if they were going to try to sell me a new key. Honda dealership or stealership? Let's find out. You might recognize this box from the Ford hidden camera video, and now I've got this bag that I can carry with me as well. Little did I know, this was the start of a much longer process than I expected. Okay, let's get this GoPro. I got a broken key here.
Oh no. Do you have an appointment today?
No, I didn't make one. I was just stopping in.
So those guys require an appointment. They can't take a walk-in right now.
Okay.
Do you want me just to make you an appointment?
Is this something I should talk to the parts guy about for a minute? Is there any way to fix this or repair it? Like the buttons all still work and
no,
it still starts?
Because the top piece, so this key comes in 3 separate pieces. Okay. There's no way I don't have super glue, and I wouldn't recommend
there's
super glue.
Not a way to like just take all the buttons inside and get them into a new case or something, just cut the key. Can't fix it. So I headed back to make an appointment.
So you are booked for tomorrow at 10:15.
Okay, I gotta come back again to get this key replaced. They're gonna extract some extra money to make a whole new key when it's a simple 5-minute repair. Drives me crazy. I should have known to get an appointment. All right, coming back to Honda. If the service counter guy offers an Uber ride, that means your car is gonna sit for a long time before they start working on it. Getting checked in. We've got this busted key here.
Probably be better if we got you a ride or you took off for a little bit. And
Sure.
We're kind of busy trying to catch up right now. Do you need a ride?
That would be great.
Okay.
So these GoPros are probably gonna die. They said it's gonna be till after the noon. I don't know that they're gonna survive that long. So I headed to the library where I could get some work done. I got tired of waiting for the Honda dealership to make the new key. While we wait for Honda, watch how quick it is for me to use this key repair kit. First, remove the electronics from the broken key. Next, put them in the new key shell with the blade that was cut by our key by photo technology to match the old key. Third, put the back onto the shell. That's it, we're done. There we go, there's less than 5 minutes to fix. While we wait for Honda to make a new key, here's what I found previously by calling lots of Honda dealers around the US. Confusion about whether the broken key can be repaired or must be replaced.
Thank you for calling.
I've got a 2011 Honda Pilot. The metal key broke out of the plastic case. Are you guys able to fix that?
Good news, we can actually just do that metal insert for you. We don't have to do the whole key.
All right.
Okay, so there's not really no fixing it. We can replace it. We can buy, you have to buy a new case of it.
We could replace it. We wouldn't be able to fix the key, but we could definitely replace the key and get you a new one.
Oh, yeah, you would buy a new key and program.
Okay, gotta buy a new key.
I could do a rebuild for the key that you have. So basically what I would do is I would cut a new key for you.
And then you can do is replace it.
I found that 40% of dealerships insisted on replacing the key instead of repairing it. Sounds like a way to extract more money from customers, if you ask me. Let me explain what's happening with these keys. The metal blade snaps off the fob like this. I think this is really a design flaw. The plastic tends to break. Does your key look something like this? Comment below. Here it is 3 hours later and I still don't have my car back. I've got places to be, so I'm gonna call them and ask them what the status is. I'm calling to check on the status of my vehicle.
One moment. All right, are you still with me?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Give them about 30 more minutes and it should be ready.
Okay, well there you go. 3 hours and it's still another 30 minutes.
Hey, does this one just go to the back?
That means the vehicle has just been sitting, probably for the full 3 hours, and they haven't touched it yet. Here's what happened before the hidden camera in the car died. It was nice of them to wash the car, You know what's funny about them saying it's gonna take a half hour? With Tom's Key Company, I could make a spare key without leaving home in under 15 minutes. Since my hidden camera died at about 3 hours, unfortunately we don't get to see the Honda tech make a new key. However, instead, this is what it takes to make a new key without leaving your driveway. After the kit arrives in the mail, plug in the programmer and follow the easy instructions. In under 15 minutes, you have made a spare key without leaving home. Time to head back. Here's my Uber driver. Let's go jump in. My hidden camera GoPros have probably died. Gonna bet the batteries aren't lasting 3 hours. I finally paid for the new key nearly 4 hours after I arrived at the Honda dealership. And that makes sense when you can do it in 15 minutes yourself with the help of Tom's Key Company. This new key should start up just fine. I can't believe it. I'm leaving Honda 4 hours after I arrived. If you found this content interesting, check out this video to see what the Ford dealership did in making a spare key for me.